Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the credentials for the account you want to switch to. This avoids interruptions. Once done, close any running Roblox game because the client can lock sessions. Next, open the Roblox app or website and navigate straight to the login screen. Don't create a new account. You're doing this to ensure a clean sign-in flow and to prevent accidental data overlap between profiles, which can happen if sessions remain active. You now sign out of the current account using the gear menu or account icon. This ensures the client is ready for a fresh session. If the app offers cached credentials or autofill, make sure to clear them so you don't accidentally log back in. Then, enter the other account's username or email and password and tap Login. Be deliberate with credentials. Mistyped email causes verification delays, and watch for two-factor prompts which protect the account during switches. You finish by confirming the username and avatar on the home screen so you know the switch worked. If something goes wrong, first try resetting the password from the login page. Make sure the account's email is verified because unverified accounts can block access. Also, check your internet connection and restart the app if sessions hang. Once you're in, reopen any games and reapply settings. This avoids permission issues and restores controls tailored to that account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.